Hi everyone, this is Arissa. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple of months since my last video and I thought I'd give you some updates about what happened in the last few months. Firstly, I really wanted to get serious about YouTube, so I signed up for Matt Diavella's Master YouTube course. In his lessons, I was learning about how to grow my YouTube channel, and it got me thinking about the type of content I was creating and where I go from here. My interest is of course tech, photography and filmmaking in general, but the thing is, with all these reviews on gear, they're all paid for with my salary from my day job, and in the long run it's just not a sustainable model to be spending so much on gear just to create videos to review them. I also watched another video by a YouTuber, Ali Abdal, who talked about The Unfair Advantage, a book by Ash Ali and Hassan Kuba. It got me thinking about what my unfair advantage was, and I figured that it would have everything to do with my day job and my interests. So I'm the senior beauty editor of Harper's Bazaar Singapore, and if you're not familiar with this fashion magazine, it has a rich 154-year history, and the Singaporean edition actually celebrates its 20th anniversary this year. As the section editor, I have access to a lot of beauty products and services. Most of them are sent over for editorial purposes. We try the products out, and the brands in turn get their products featured whether in our magazines or on our website and social media accounts. As much as I would like to include all of them, print pages are very precious, and it makes more sense to talk about these products if they fit a certain theme or a certain story. Using my YouTube channel, I really hope to be able to give these products and launches the review or highlight that they deserve. For those who have been following me on my social media accounts, you would know that I had an exclusively black wardrobe since I think 2008. I started a fashion blog back then named Monoxious with my best friend Dawn. So the whole idea and premise behind the blog was to really show off all black outfits and to send the message that black isn't boring. Although the blog is, kind of defunct, I've carried on wearing black, and I've learned through these many years of wearing just black how to optimize the pieces in your wardrobe to create fresh new looks. I love to be able to share my experiences creating your own all-black wardrobe while still looking professional and fashionable. So what does this mean for the channel then? I will still be creating videos related to tech content because it's really what I love, but peppered in between will be videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle to really keep this channel alive. I know for a fact that a lot of you ended up on the channel because of the tech content, and if you've subscribed to me because of that, I sincerely thank you for your support. It really helps out my small channel. I'm honestly very terrified about posting this video and telling everyone about my plans, and I don't know where this will take me. But I sincerely hope you will continue supporting me. This has been a really random video update of sorts, and if you've watched till the end of this video, thank you very much. I can't wait to show you what is in store for this channel, and I hope you will continue this journey with me. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.